Hello.
Yeah, hi sir. Good evening.
Hi, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. I have not been able to get on to my laptop, so I'll just
Yeah,
come to you. We'll discuss it on the mobile. Okay.
yeah, it's more fine, sir. I think.
Okay, fine.
So
Rakesh,
if I
from?
guess you right, sir, today your first day, I think, in Clapingo.
That's right. How did you come to know? Hello.
Because I just saw your right 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I saw 0 rating. So I thought I should book this session because I think you are a new here. I get to know at the same time.
Yeah. Okay, thank you. Rakesh, where are you from?
Yeah, originally I'm from Uttarakhand, sir, but now I'm in Delhi.
Which part of Uttarakhand are you from?
Yeah, my district is Almora. I'm from Almora.
Almora district. Okay.
Yes,
There
yes.
is army there in Almora.
Sorry, sir.
There are some army units in Almora. I know there are some army units in
Yeah,
Almora.
yeah. Yes. Because Ranikhet, which from like there is a Ranikhet place. It is near
Yeah,
to my house.
yeah,
So the army camp there is like the everything is done there only.
absolutely. Absolutely. What are you doing in Delhi?
Sir, now I'm doing job here and I'm working in IT recruitment. Um, as a HR and yeah.
Okay. Which company are you working with?
Yeah, I'm company. It company is not a like a company. I'm just working in consulting firm.
Okay. With me now, you are with me for the next 15, 20 minutes, whatever time. Just feel free to speak. No inhibitions.
Yeah, sure, sir.
Just speak your heart out. All right.
Yes, sure, sir. Why not?
Yeah. Because this is an opportunity you are getting to speak to somebody bindas. Just carry on. All right.
Right. Yeah, I feel like the same thing, sir. That is
Yeah,
the
very
reasons. That is the reasons I just book. I just come to in this platform too, where I can share my journey or and I can learn something other persons. I can express my feeling.
okay.
So like, all people are stranger for me. So I
Very
can.
nice.
Yes, sir.
Very nice. How long have you been on this platform?
So it is my 13th session, sir.
Okay.
It's my 13th session. So it has been 1 month
1
completed.
month.
Yeah, it
Do
has
you
been.
find it has helped you? Has it helped you?
Yeah, it's helping me a lot, and it's making my routine also, sir. Because from here I'm getting I am getting a motivation from here because every day you need to talk with people, different guys. You need to talk, and so for that you need to prepare something, and you can consistence here also, or you can start your beginning, like start your journey in English in this platform. So it's helping me, and it's I'm getting a motivation from here also.
Very nice. Very nice to hear that.
Yes, sir.
And now that you have got into this, what should I say, a sort of,
How?
you have set a goal for yourself that, to speak, and I need to improve on my spoken vocabulary and on my spoken English. That motivation there, as you said. So you should not leave it halfway. So you should push it forward as much as you can. And after all, it is like they say, you know, practice makes perfect.
Right, sir. Right, sir.
More you
Yeah, I
practice,
believe, truly believe.
yeah, the more you practice, the more proficient you will become. It's as simple as that. All right.
Right, sir. Right,
Yeah.
sir.
So, have you been able to go through the syllabus that we had that was prescribed for you for today's class?
Yeah, right, sir. I gone through it. It was mm, I forgot, sir. It was, I think,
About winning a lottery.
Yeah, lottery. Yeah. It was related to lottery. Yes.
Yeah, that's right. So there are two options. One
Mhm.
is that I'll give you a feedback towards the end of the session, or I can keep giving you some corrective notes as we are speaking.
Yeah, it's more fine, sir. End of the session is more fine for me, I think.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
I have to keep noting down. See, for example, now you said it is more fine. End of the session is more fine for me. Can I suggest a better word?
Yeah, sure, sir. Why not?
End of the session is better for me.
End of the session is better for me. Yeah, got it, sir.
End of the session is better for me. Rather than saying end of the session is more fine for me, a
Yeah,
better way of putting it in English is end of the session is better for me.
better for me. Right, sir. Right.
Yeah. Or you could have said, I'll feel more comfortable if you give me a feedback at the end of the session. So therefore, you have spoken a longer sentence also.
Yeah, I feel comfortable if you can correct
If
me
at
at
the
end
end
of
of
the session. Yeah,
yeah,
at the end
yeah.
of the session. Got it, sir.
Okay. Now the session says it's all about winning a lottery. So have you ever tried buying a lottery ticket? Have you ever tried?
Yeah, sir. I can say yes too. When I was in my schools, I used to go in Mela.
Hmm.
Yeah. So there was some they spread something. I couldn't recall what exactly they do.
Wait.
Yeah.
When now I think I will take the liberty of correcting you as you speak, because towards the end of I also forget it. Okay, because
Yeah. Right, sir.
yeah. No, you said schools. When I was in schools,
School. Okay.
it
Yeah.
is there's no
School.
S.
Yeah. I know, sir. Yeah.
So when I was in school,
Yeah.
I used to go to the Mela. I go to the Mela. You said I go to the Mela.
I
When I
used
was,
to go to the Mela. Huh?
I used to go to Mela.
Yes. Right, sir.
So I used to go to the Mela.
Okay. Go to the Mela.
I used to go to the Mela.
Okay. Got it, sir.
So okay, continue to speak. If you're doing fine, you're doing absolutely fine. So,
Okay.
but it is we are together, and my idea is to give you small corrections. And
Yeah. It's more fine for me. Yeah. It's fine for me, sir.
yeah,
Yeah.
it is more for me. It is better for me.
It's better for me. Right,
Yeah,
sir. Right.
yeah.
So yeah, I spent some money there, and
I
I couldn't
spend
get anything.
I spend some money. There is no spend it.
Okay,
I spend some money.
I spent some money.
Yeah.
So
You
it is in past story, sir. So I can't say
no
spend it.
spend it. There is no word called spend it.
Okay. I spent some money there.
The
I
past tense
didn't get.
also for spend is spend only.
Okay. Got it, sir. I don't know about this
Word
thing.
of the past tense is also the same word. All
Got
right.
it, sir.
It will
Got
get
it.
differentiated by a D and a T. Like for example,
Yes.
SEND is send.
Send.
SE,
Okay.
I will send you. I will send you this pen. SUND.
Yeah. Send. Yeah.
But if I've already given it to you, if I have already sent it to you, it is SENT.
Okay. Yeah. Send.
I have sent it to you. I will send it to you. I have sent it to you.
Yeah.
It's
Got it, sir.
like that. Yeah. Okay. Good.
Okay. So I
Hmm.
didn't get anything from there. So
Hmm.
that's it, sir. But yeah, recently I I have also spent money in Dream 11. So
Oh.
Dream 11, I think, sir, you know about this thing.
Yeah.
So Dream 11, yeah.
Yeah.
In during the IPL.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
at
And
the time I spent more than 20 more than 2000 rupees, more than
okay.
2000 rupees I spent there. And finally I got to know from here there I got to know from there too, there is because there is nothing. There are, I think, more than crore people participate that lottery. You can say that constant and uh, there would be like 1 crore rupees. It is a like price of that, and yeah. So I spent it a lot of money, but I didn't get from there. So these
I
are
spent.
two.
I
I
spent.
spend, yeah. I
Yeah.
spend money these two place. I didn't get anything from there too, sir. So that I don't believe in lottery also.
Okay. I know. I know absolutely. Some people are addicted. I know the meaning of word addicted.
Yeah, yeah, I know, sir.
Like somebody gets addicted to liquor, somebody gets
Yeah,
addicted to drinking. So
yes,
like
yes,
that, people get addicted to
something.
lottery,
Yeah,
gambling.
addicted to lottery also,
Basically,
right?
yeah.
Gambling also, right?
I think in the advertisement which comes for Dream 11, they say that don't get there is some monetary risk involved and don't get addicted.
Yeah, right. And every advertisement or every advertisement, there is something we say also. It's not a good something like that when we smoke something. So there is
Yeah,
also mention it is injurious for health, but people
absolutely.
used to do also. People used to do this thing.
Yeah, but smoking has reduced a lot, right, these days compared to previously.
Yeah, sir, yeah, because now peoples are awareing, the peoples are more educated.
Yeah,
So yeah,
people are aware, not awareing. Peoples are aware. These days, people are more aware. Yeah, okay.
yeah,
Yeah, absolutely. That's right. People are now more aware that
yeah, right,
smoke
right, sir.
health and waste of money. You are wasting your money to ruin your
Yes. Yeah, that is also reason.
health. Yeah, absolutely. So, I mean, good. You said that you are not interested. So I don't want to ask you what will you do with the money if you got one lottery? How will you spend it?
Yeah, but
Uh,
if I get a lottery without, like, if I get 1 crore rupees, I think there is a questions like that. If you get crore rupees from the lottery, but I can't say ki, like, from the lottery. If I get a 1 crore rupees from anywhere, so what I will do?
yeah. Okay. Go ahead. Tell me.
Yeah, sure, sir. So first, I will try to make more money of that money, because 1 crore is not sufficient for me. Also, I can't do anything with 1 crore for entire life, right? But yeah, in my case, you can say, sir, yeah, 1 crore is huge amount for other people's also. It is very huge amount for me also. But once you will get, so your your habit, or and your lifestyle would be changed also. So surely, like, if you get 1 crore, so everything would be changed in your life. So for that, you need to make more money for that. So I just want to spend that money in the share market, and there are a lot of other way from where you can get more money. And maybe, yeah, I have some plan for business, so I would like to spend there too.
Okay, that is very good. So
Yeah.
basically, trying to say that I'm not going to finish off this 1 crore by enjoying my life.
Yeah, right, sir. If I will start enjoying for the 1 crore rupees, so maybe it will take not much time. It will finish after 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, maximum 5 year. You will finish all your money.
Absolutely.
Right, sir.
You're a wise man.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, correct. So you should spend some money to improve your lifestyle because you have got 1 crore. Little bit of enjoyment you should do.
yeah.
Go out
Little
and
bit joint. I need to do too, because, like, once you will get money, why don't you want to spend some enjoyment too?
absolutely. And the bulk of it, save it and try and double it maybe in
Right,
5 years.
right.
Yeah.